Hello, morning guys. Today I'm going to talk about the heat pipes. This is the heat pipe where it cools from one side to another side without using external heat source. That's the most important thing. Okay. Oh, so it will be using nanotechnologies like it, not the nano, but it will be used like the heat sinks. In even in our laptop, if you go through your inside the systems and just above the processor you will see the cooling system. This is the cooling system. Yeah, most of the time heat pipe is very good. As I got to know, heat pipe is mainly using different electronics devices. Okay, so I am going to study about it. So let's go to my study. What's my study? My study is to calculate, know the feasibility of heat pipes for rapid cooling of mobile phone. So I want to cool my mobile phone without using external methods. Okay, without using an external force. Our phone is sometimes heated, so I need some device that will cool in any time. Okay, it doesn't use any power. So let's go through my assignment project. This is the one the purpose that I did, right. From the study it will show that our mobile is growing. We have high powered chips. Okay, we have more and more function in our mobile phone. So heat from inside is also increasing. So we have more heat generation in our mobile phone. So we need to control that. Okay, we need some device. So during the extensive load like gaming, video streaming, fast charging, massive heat is generated inside the mobile phone. High thermal performance cooling is required even to extend their life. It will directly affect the device. As you know, even when phone gets old, it will start to heat frequently. Okay, in the big device like laptop, we have a heat sink fan, but in the small device like mobile phone, we don't have like this. We can't use the fan. We need a proper device. Okay, and this heat pipe would be good device. Okay, this is the function of heat pipe as you see. Okay, this is the weak structure heat pipe. To talk about the heat pipe, it has condensation section, evaporation section, and middle transport section. So even if you go search on the internet, heat pipe is like if you give heat on the surface, the other surface will immediately get heated. That's fast. Okay, so it will be very good. So that's my point here. So in this I have to do the simulation. Okay, for different shapes using the heat pipes. Okay, different types of heat pipe and their configuration. Numerical model for the heat pipe. So we have to develop cooling pad. Just the size of credit card. Okay. So so I am going to analyze, correlate, and find the optimized heat pipe configuration. This only proposal, guys. This is not the full project. As I go forward, I got to know that there are two types of heat pipe: round heat pipe, flat heat pipe. Okay, this. So I am going to use different arrangement. Like it's the device where we need to feed the heat pipes. Okay, so first it's round. I am going to use circle type heat pipe. In the second, I am just I am just using straight heat pipe. In the third, I use the fractal method. Okay, fractal arrangement. As you can see, so I have to analyze three different shapes and calculate which have a best arrangement, which gives the better cooling. These are the just the formula, numerical approach. And this is the method. We have to make hypothesis, experiment, modeling in Solidog, do analysis in ANSYS, and data analysis and validation. Okay, this is the Gantt chart. As you know, we have to include in our project. And I don't know, this is not my first time. I have to include the health and safety ethics like this in my paper. Okay, thank you. This is just a proposal that I am writing, so I want to share with you the different project that you can do as a mechanical engineering students. Okay, bye.